The Challenger 2 has played a smaller role than some other Western tanks in Ukraine. But it remains one of the most respected armored vehicles on the battlefield. Built for protection, accuracy, and crew survival, it gives Ukrainian forces a heavy-hitting option that can stand up to Russian armor and fortified positions. The Challenger 2 is a British main battle tank designed around survivability and long-range firepower. It is known for its thick armor, advanced gun control, and excellent crew protection. In a war where mines, drones, artillery, and anti-tank missiles are constant threats, those qualities matter a lot. Ukraine received Challenger 2 tanks from the United Kingdom as part of wider military aid. They were not delivered in huge numbers. But even a small fleet can be valuable when used carefully. The tank gives Ukrainian crews a platform that can absorb punishment, deliver accurate fire, and support infantry in difficult assaults. Ukraine has not used the Challenger 2 as a mass breakthrough weapon in the way Russia once imagined tanks would be used. Instead, it is better suited to careful, coordinated operations. In practice, that means supporting infantry during assaults on fortified Russian positions, providing direct fire against enemy bunkers, trenches, and armored vehicles, helping hold defensive lines where strong armor is needed, working alongside drones, artillery, and other Western vehicles in combined arms operations. This is important because the Ukraine battlefield is extremely dangerous for tanks. Open ground is watched by drones, artillery can respond quickly, and minefields can halt even the best armored advance. Challenger 2 works best when it is part of a larger team, not when it is sent forward alone. The Challenger 2 has several advantages that make it useful in Ukraine. First, it is well protected. The tank is famous for its armor and its ability to keep crews alive. That does not make it invulnerable, but it does give Ukrainian soldiers a better chance of surviving hits compared with lighter vehicles. Second, it is accurate. The tank's 120mm rifled gun is different from the smoothbore guns used by many other modern tanks. It is very effective at delivering precise fire, especially in the kinds of engagements where crews need to hit a target quickly and cleanly. Third, it is reliable in the right role. Challenger 2 is not built for reckless speed. It is built to advance carefully, survive under pressure, and support infantry through tough terrain and hardened defenses. Fourth, it gives Ukraine a Western tank doctrine option. That matters because the more Ukraine operates equipment from NATO countries, the more it learns about modern logistics, maintenance, and combined arms tactics. The Challenger 2 is strong, but it is not a miracle weapon. One major challenge is numbers. Ukraine received only a small fleet, so each tank matters. Losing one is far more serious than losing a vehicle in a larger armored force. Another challenge is maintenance and logistics. British tanks need spare parts, trained technicians, and a supply chain that can keep them running. In a war this intense, that is not easy. There is also the reality of modern battlefield threats. Mines, loitering munitions, anti-tank guided missiles and artillery can still destroy or disable a Challenger 2 if it is exposed in the wrong place at the wrong time. No tank is safe if it is used carelessly. Even so, the Challenger 2's survivability has been important. In a conflict where crews are under constant threat, the tank's ability to protect its soldiers is a major advantage. The Challenger 2 is more than a tank in Ukraine. It is a sign of British and Western support, and it represents the kind of high-quality help that can make a difference even in limited numbers. It also shows a broader truth about the war. Modern armored warfare is not about charging forward blindly. It is about protection, coordination, and adaptability. The Challenger 2 fits that reality well. It is not flashy, and it is not built for headlines. But in the right hands, it is a serious battlefield tool. The use of the Challenger 2 in the Ukraine versus Russia battle shows why heavyweight armor still matters. It may not be the most numerous tank in the fight, but it brings something essential: confidence, protection, and firepower. Ukraine uses it carefully. Alongside drones, artillery, infantry, and other armored vehicles. That is where it shines. In a war defined by attrition and precision, the Challenger 2 helps Ukraine hold the line, support offensives, and protect the crews inside. It is a tank built to survive. And in Ukraine, survival is often the first step toward victory. For more military technology insights, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, this is Truman, signing off. Stay informed and stay safe.